Hello fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane, and welcome back to another deep dive into the world of Midjourney SREF styles. In today's video, we'll be exploring SREF codes from 2620 to 2719. We are continuing our journey to uncover the fascinating variety of styles hidden in these numbers. But before we dive in, let's touch upon an exciting update from the world of Midjourney. Over the past week, Midjourney has introduced a new feature called Mood Board, which allows users to create a consistent visual style by analyzing images and generating reusable style codes. It's a continuation of the personalization feature that lets you create new personalization codes that are based on a smaller amount of images than previously required. This tool simplifies the creative process, ensuring cohesive aesthetics across projects and reducing the need for detailed prompts. You can upload 15 to 20 images to establish a style profile, which can be applied to multiple projects or shared with others. There is also a free-for-all relax mode available in December, meaning that everyone with any plan can use relax mode on Midjourney to create an unlimited amount of images. This applies to all plans, even those that didn't have it available before. And it's almost as fast as the fast mode with a queue up to 12 prompts at a time. So do make use of it while it is available, because there is a little over a week still left. As always, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to my patrons, whose support makes this channel and style exploration possible. If you'd like access to exclusive perks like prompt PDFs and ad-free early releases, you can find the link in the description. Now, let's get into today's styles. 2620 Geometric Line Abstraction. 2621 Graphite Dusk Realism. 2622 Neon Shadow Immersion. 2623 Chromatic Cubist Abstraction. 2624 Soft Line Urban Impressions. 2625 Blossom Pastel Dreamscapes. 2626 Midnight Neon Cartooning. 2627 Peach Hue Minimalism. 2628 Pastoral Tapestry Realism. 2629 Red Nouveau Harmony. 2630 Monochrome Abyss Glow. 2631 Orange Totem Surrealism. 2632 Minimalist Watercolor Dreamscapes. 2633 Forest Noir Anime Vignettes. 2634 Magenta Chromatic Adventure. 2635 Woodland Storybook Charm. 2636 Ethereal Anime Enchantment. 2637 Haunted Obsidian Realism. 2638 Romantic Golden Nostalgia. 2639 Enchanted Evening Whimsy. 2640 Retro Futuristic Fantasy. 2641 Art Deco Landscape Patterns. 2642 Ethereal Soft Focus Narrative. 2643 Whimsical Blossom Portraits. 2644 Peach Minimalist Abstracts. 2645 Fairy Tale Lightscapes. 2646 Elemental Anime Narratives. 2647 Neon Biomorphic Surrealism. 2648 Vibrant Rustic Portraiture. 2649 Futuristic Eco-Utopias. 2650 Cotton Candy Whimsy. 2651 Radiant Nature Abstractions. 2652 Campfire Shadow Narratives. 2653 Minimalist Grayscale Portraiture. 2654 Inferno Surreal Landscapes. 2655 Indigo Abstract Watercolor. 2656 Playful Fairy Tale Realism. 2657 Minimalist Shadows Anime. 2658. Crimson Futurist Minimalism. 2659. Whimsical Garden Portraiture. 2660. Noir Fantasy Adventures. 2661. Vibrant Natural Fantasies. 2662. Retro-Futuristic Urban Tales. 2663. Serene Natural Impressionism. 2664. Monochrome Retro Illustration. 2665. Glowing Abyss Chronicles. 2666. Rose-Tinted Impressionist Escapes. 2667. Golden Haze Impressionism. 2668. Whimsical Storybook Charm. 2669. Magical Cottagecore Whimsy. 2670. Monochrome Floral Ethereality. 2671. Sepia-toned Industrial Quietude. 2672. Verdant Sylvan Daydreams. 2673. Onyx Horizon Surrealism. 2674. Crimson Kimono Nostalgia. 2675. Fuchsia Dreamscape Fusion. 2676. Scarlet Autumn Anime Whimsy. 2677. Amber Autumnal Collage. 2678. Gilded Monarch Serenity. 2679. Celestial Harmony in Blue. 2680. Floating Isle Serenity. 2681. Cerulean Mist Reverie. 2682. Autumn Enchantment Glow. 2683. Charcoal Splatter Expressionism. 2684. Celestial Glow Chiaroscuro. 2685. Obsidian Blossom Elegance. 2686. Vermilion Sci-Fi Odyssey. 2687. Luminous Forest Whimsy. 2688. Blush-toned Daydreams. 2689. Verdant Pathway Harmony. 2690. Ethereal Obsidian Fractures. 2691. Neon Psychedelic Whimsy. 2692. Geometric Deco Elegance. 2693. Fogbound Medieval Mysticism. 2694. Modern Floral Contrast. 2695. Retro Pastel Whimsy. 2696. Fantasy Adventurer's Tale. 2697. Neon Cloud Dreamscape. 2698. Vintage Pastoral Elegance. 2699. Vibrant Deco Fantasy. 2700. Cinderbrush Apparition. 2701. Ethereal Necropolis Tableau. 2702. Lucid Neon Anachronism. 2703. Crimson Shadow Retreat. 2704. Desolate Drapery Haven. 2705. Bold Heritage Vanguard. 2706. Cubist Monochrome Medley. 2707. Autumnal Inferno Cascade. 2708. Delicate Linework Cottage Scene. 2709. Medieval Fortress Vista. 2710. Luminescent Neon Essence. 2711. Shrouded Silhouette in Ash. 2712. Flamebound Sorcery Portraiture. 2713. Stormy Kanagawa Scrollwork. 2714. Mech Punk, Wanderlust. 2715. Chiaroscuro Fairy Reflection. 2716. Alpine Adventurer Canvas. 271. 7. Petal Dream Digital. 2718. Prismatic Fairy Cyberglow. 2719. Mountain Glow Nostalgia. And that wraps up our exploration of 100 SREF codes. I hope you enjoyed discovering these styles as much as I did. Some of them were truly surprising in how they interpreted the same simple prompt. Let me know in the comments which styles stood out to you, or if you have any ideas for future deep dive themes or prompts you'd like to see tested. As always, a massive thank you to my patrons and to all of you who watch, comment, and support this channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated on all my new videos. Thank you for watching, and let's continue prompting.